every one of you please concentrate here. We got one trade, one selling trade here, Bank Nifty selling trade, and one more is second trade here. So both are working. Manish ji, I joined this group. Kapil Agnihotri, sir, you are from April batch. Okay, this batch is running for March. Okay, you are allowed to participate here because you might get repeated so that you can understand well. That's all. You just attend this webinar. चुप से देखो, अंडरस्टैंड करो, आपको ये रिपीटेड आएगा पहले. आई मीन आपको पहले से मिलेगा, स्टार्टिंग से मिलेगा. दिस इज द 5th सेशन. You are going to get sessions from 1st to 5th, then you will understand everything. Shrikant. Okay. Now, common question here is how to plot CPR. Okay, I will delete the CPR. No. Okay. अभी मैंने CPR को डिलीट कर दिया. And how many of you yesterday have seen Telegram channel that I posted this triangle chart? So इधर पे क्या हुआ, ट्रैप हुआ. देखो, this is a trap. I will give you a nugget. Please remember this. आपको एक सीक्रेट बताता हूं, आप उसको क्या बोलते हैं, दिमाग में रखो. Whenever you get a breakout candle like this, a big candle, breakout or breakdown, immediately if you get any opposite candle which closes inside its zone, so ये क्या है, ये रेड कैंडल ये जोन से बाहर आ गए, तो immediately what happened, ये ग्रीन कैंडल इधर ओपन होके जाके उसका जोन में क्लोज हो गए. समझो, ये हो सकता है ट्रैप 95%. कीर्ति पटेल जी, you have joined 5th session of the previous batch. Okay, it is okay, we are allowed you to get repetition. आपको अच्छा से समझ में आएगा करके आपको इधर बुलाया है. अटेंड करो, आपको पहले से मिलेगा, सेशन 1 से सेशन 5 तक मिलेगा. कीर्ति पटेल जी. Sandeep, you did not miss it. I think you have you are from the April batch. Okay. Are you able to understand what I'm saying here? This is very important one. Yes, Venkat Srinivas ji. Yes. अतुल फ्यूचर्स. फर्स्ट ये देख लेंगे. ये देखो, मॉर्निंग, आज का मॉर्निंग कैंडल क्या हुआ, इसके ऊपर ओपन हुआ and it went sideways. It went sideways and it took support here, again try to go up. Yes Payas, ये ट्रेंड लाइन और सपोर्ट लाइन बोथ भी इधर है, दोनों भी है इधर. इट्स कॉल्ड डबल सपोर्ट, डबल कंफर्मेशन का सपोर्ट. So this is called a megaphone structure. This we call this movement as a megaphone structure. So it is saying increasing volatility in the future. Maybe tomorrow also it increases its volatility. Okay. See, whenever the volatility is increased, once it breaks out of the range, जाके उसका volatility बढ़ गए तो आपको ट्रेड करने को मजा आएगा और आपको अच्छा सा अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगा. Whenever it is inside the range and it is creating a big volatility, you cannot trade. Okay. Why you are feeling very tough to trade from 3 days? The reason is there is a big candle. Okay, inside this one more candle, inside this one more candle. This is what happening. Kirti ji, you will get all the things. You don't worry. Time to time सभी आपको मिल जाएगा. कीर्ति जी. Yes, Payas. No, it is not creating new zone. It is waiting for the big movement. It is waiting for the big movement. ऐसे हो गए तो ये big movement के लिए वेट कर रहा है. Whether it can be upside or downside. So कौन से अतुल स्टॉक को बोला ना आप? अतुल ऑटो, right? How to trade such volatility in a range? Kenis, that's why you need to avoid that. Kenis ji, you need to avoid. ऐसा बहुत रेयर से आता है. ऐसे आ गए तो आप सिंगल ट्रेड सर, आई मीन नेकेड ट्रेडर्स मतलब लॉन्ग या शॉर्टर्स should avoid this kind of trading. Those who are creating strategies in the options, they can trade. Okay, naked traders has to avoid. See, every day you cannot have a chicken dinner. Winner chicken dinner. How many of you know that? Every day you cannot have a chicken dinner. Okay, sometimes you must be vegetarian. Manish ji, never look at the option chart in the bullet price action. Look at only futures chart. Futures chart में ले देख के आप ऑप्शन में खरीदना. So दोनों आजू बाजू डाल दो चार्ट में. फ्यूचर में कभी आपको एंट्री है ना, उधर आपका कॉल ऑप्शन या पुट ऑप्शन लेना है. Stefan, this is not the right time to hold the positional options. पोजिशनल ऑप्शंस होल्ड करने का सही टाइम नहीं है. यस नवीन, यस. Yes, Lucas, you can also put spot, but you have to stick to that. कहाँ पे आप ट्रेड कर रहे हो उधर स्टिक होना चाहिए. I am holding Escorts call of 2000. Please share with Escorts. What is the reason you bought Escorts call, sir? 2000 call. What is the reason you bought Escorts call here? Sagar ji, weekly breakout. कहाँ पे sir? Where is the weekly breakout here? You can check here. I am turning this into lower time frame. Where is the weekly breakout, sir? Where is the weekly breakout? Rounded bottom or W pattern? There is no W pattern here. Lenin fires on daily. Sir, who told this? Sagar ji. Where is the breakout? Weekly breakout. Don't take long positions based on weekly breakouts. Sagar ji, you can sell the option based on weekly breakout. Never take naked option based on weekly breakout. सागर जी बात करो भैया. अभी ये रेसिस्टेंस पे है. where did it cross सर? देखो सर, रेजिस्टेंस कहाँ पे क्रॉस किया है? कहाँ पे क्रॉस किया है? अभी तो रेजिस्टेंस पे है. एग्जैक्टली एट द रेजिस्टेंस. Exactly at the resistance. Santosh Kumar. So why all of you are still holding options overnight? I had told you, all of you, in the first session itself. हमें कुछ आपने कुछ सोच के इधर आए ट्रेडिंग पे, तो इधर वही रंग कर रहे हैं मिस्टेक्स. ओके चेतन, दैट इज गुड. ओके, never hold position trades in options. You must have very good knowledge to hold options for the positional. Okay, let us start session or not? शुरू करें, ये डिस्कशन करके बैठे. Devendra, options trade will be happen only when there is a momentum, not only on the breakout. Okay. So last time we were discussing on double candlestick patterns, right? So let us start with the triple candlestick. Triple candlestick pattern. So in triple candlestick pattern, we have one is morning star. Second one is evening star. Okay. Deepak, that is what I am telling you. When there is no momentum in the stocks or index, you should not trade the options. Okay. Don't be get excited by looking at the tips givers. Yes, Mithilesh. So let us start morning star. Whenever stock is in bearish, at support, you are going to get a red candle and a small doji or with the small body candle, whether this or this. Okay. Next, one green candle. इसको बोलेंगे morning star. Okay. Actually, it looks like a red candle, a thoda doji kind of candle, next a green candle. इसको बोलेंगे morning star, क्योंकि whenever it is falling, it looks like a seal towards bottom. Okay, it looks like a cap. तो बाद में ये यू टर्न लेके ऊपर चले जाता है. इसके एंट्री होगा इसके ऊपर, स्टॉप लॉस होगा इसके नीचे. ओके, it is one of the strongest patterns in the reversal. So it will give you supports for many times. If price comes to this level again, suppose इधर पे चले गए ऊपर, so next time if the price comes to this range, you will get this as a support. Any time frame, Kapil, any time frame. चार्ट पे देखेंगे, इजी लगता है आपको. I will show you exact one to understand. So whenever we need, we are getting double candlestick patterns. Kenny, if the third candle is bigger, that is powerful, bigger than the first one. अरे यार, you can see here, this is the perfect example. This is the perfect example. And this is a perfect example. Okay. And let us see some more. This is perfect example. This is perfect example. This is also good example, but we have a multiple candles. Star Health. You can see this one. You can see this one. Yes, Giri Reddy. Yes, yes. Please try to watch the charts so that you will get practice. So Star Health. Let us see Star Health. कहाँ पे सर? कहाँ पे? Yes. Where is it? Today, sir, understand properly, please. You are mistaking PSG ऐसे गिरना चाहिए, पहले ऐसे गिरना चाहिए, बाद में इधर रेड कैंडल और डोजी आना चाहिए, बाद में एक ग्रीन कैंडल आना चाहिए. Okay, not in sideways. Okay, please don't never consider this in a sideways market. That's why I told we need a falling market before getting this pattern. Understand clearly. Sideways में मत लेना. Okay. I told you no. From here, if stock moves again, it will come to this area. This will act as a support. This will act as a support. Later also you can take trade here if you get the buying pattern. Buying pattern means I have told you single candle patterns, two candles patterns, and this is the three candles pattern. If you get any candle pattern at the support, you can take the trade. And remember, very important thing, ये कैंडल पैटर्न होता है ना, थ्री कैंडल पैटर्न, मॉर्निंग स्टार, वो तो बहुत स्ट्रांग होता है. उसका लो तोड़ दिया तो, उसका लो ब्रेक कर दिए तो समझो मार्केट गिरने वाला है. बैंक निफ्टी 15 मिनट्स टाइम फ्रेम 28.3. सर स्पॉट और फ्यूचर्स? शशिधर जी, I am mixing both. I am mixing both. A perfect setup. इधर पे देखो, red candle earlier falling, red candle doji and closing green candle. This is your entry. $15 minutes. Spot. Ramna ji, by default, all the targets will be 1:1. Okay. What we do is 1:1 is not enough every time. To increase the profits, we take trades at support and we will keep a target of 1:2. Okay, provided looking at the sky meaning if you get buy here, sky matlab all this space, you must have a space to move upside. If you have this space to move upside, then you will keep 1:2 until it hitting the target. It should not be disturbed by any of the resistances. Did you understand? Kapil Agnihotri, yes, on the high of the third candle. Okay. That can be traded in two ways. This can be traded in two ways. एक high buy 50% here on the closing of this candle. Add 50 more percent when it comes to the half of this candle. Either 50 or either 50. 50%, 50%. Okay. Then you carry over the trades. Understand? This is the one of the method to trade to increase the profits. Sometimes what will happen? It will give a pullback. Why does it give you pullback? Whenever there is a big candle here, Definitely the big candles will always give pullbacks. Yes, Ramna. Like this, you can see here. It has given pullback till here. And what? On what, Ramna ji? 4 to 550. How? On what basis? And what basis? Resistance. Sir, resistance is a resistance. It does not mean it is it is a target. Okay. Resistance is a resistance, sir. Resistance मतलब वो stop करने वाला. Okay. It is not the target. Resistance is never the target. We are going to book the profits at the resistance. That's all. No target, Ramana ji. There is no target here because there is no entries in this. There is no entry. Okay. As of now, we are looking for down move with the resistance of this. We are looking for down move as the resistance of this. Okay. Let us move. See one more setup here. One more setup. Go to evening star. Next one is evening star. The same thing, you will get a green candle. You will get a green candle, then a small body doji or a doji, next a red candle. Okay. So this is evening star. Your entry will be here 50% or at 50% here, 50%. If you can take a total 100%, okay. If you want to reduce the risk, you can take 50% of the quantity here and 50% of the quantity here with a stop loss above this. Okay. If the green or third candle is not cross the red candle, then also it is okay. If it crosses the red candle, green candle, then it will be strong. How to quantify the signals? How to quantify the signals? It is very simple. I will tell you, understand this. If you can understand this, you will understand lot of things. Okay. This is a green candle, right? What is a very important and major reversal signal in the technical analysis? That is engulfing pattern. If you know how to blend the candles, every pattern will come to engulfing. Finally, the result will be engulfing. So इधर पे क्या होगा समझो, understand please this. Even it feels bore or if time goes very long, no problem, please understand. Okay, I am here to teach you, to make you understand. This is the green candle. Now इधर पे क्या होगा, ए स्मॉल डोजी होगा, इस पे कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं है. बाद में इधर पे एक कैंडल होगा, वो आके इसको क्रॉस करेगा. ओके, नाउ look at this. This is a green candle. This is the green candle. And whatever the activity is happening inside this, and whatever the red candle is forming from here to here. Now you look at this. Is it not bearish engulfing? Is it not bearish engulfing? Tell me. If you know to blend, all the setups will come to engulfing. It can be all the buying setup should come to buying engulfing, bullish engulfing. All the selling setup should comes to bearish engulfing. Yes, Lenin. Sagar, correct. Remember that. If you remember that, no need to remember the signals, all those. Okay. ये देखो, ये दोनों का ऐड कर दो, ये दोनों का ऐड कर दे तो ऐसे आ गए. बस अभी कहा आपका ट्रेडिंग पोजीशन लेना है, सेलिंग पोजीशन बिलो द लो ऑफ दिस, राइट? So execute your positions. If this is very big, sell 50% and divide this candle into two parts and sell one more 50% here. Keep your stop loss here. Simple. Okay. Is it clear? Let us turn into this low attempt. I will give you very good example. Please concentrate here. So कभी ऐसा अच्छा सा टाइम आ गया तो आपको अच्छा सा एग्जांपल मिलता है. अब देखो ये ग्रीन कैंडल, बाद में ये सारा रेड कैंडल आए. So look at the highest closing of all this. This location is the highest closing of all the red candles at the top. And which is the lowest closing? This one. So whenever it is closing here, it is not closing the below this green candle, right? Where does it closed? This is the candle which closed below this green candle. Now add all these candles into one candle. अभी क्या हुआ? ये green candle बन गई. This is the green candle, and all this candle turn into single candle, that is a red candle, which is bigger than this. Okay. Now this turned into a bearish engulfing. Okay, total till this candle. It has made a low of this. Now where do you need to take the sell position? Below the low of this. So बाद में क्या हुआ? You got a result. Did you able to understand what I am telling? Yes, yes. Yes, Sagar, it is a combined effect. We will say it as a blending of the candles. ये थोड़ा आपका दिमाग चलाए तो आपका बहुत ज्यादा कॉल्स जनरेट करने के लिए हेल्प होता है. हमें तो एग्जांपल देख रहा था ना. आलोक, अरे भाई आपको रिकॉर्डिंग मिलेगा, देख लेना. दिस वन, इवनिंग स्टार. दिस वन। अभी अभी देखो ये क्यों नहीं चला, why did not work, this is not worked, why? The reason is it is not crossed the low of this. Signal is okay, candlestick pattern is okay, but how powerful it is, based on the power of the signal you need to take the positions, right? So all these candles are never closed below this, that's the reason उसका power नहीं है। श्रीमद दास सर, आई ओनली शेयर्ड ऑल द रिकॉर्डिंग्स, प्लीज वॉच इट। कम्युनिटी आप देखना चाहिए, देखते रहना चाहिए। मनीष, फ्रॉम विच बैच यू आर, फ्रॉम विच बैच सर? लेटेस्ट मतलब आपका कम्युनिटी ग्रुप का नेम क्या है? मनीष जी, आपका कम्युनिटी का ग्रुप का नाम क्या है? यू कैन सी हाउ ब्यूटीफुली इट वर्कड वंस इट क्रॉस्ड दिस ग्रीन कैंडल लो। एक ग्रीन कैंडल लो पे क्रॉस होने के बाद। मनीष जी, यू आर सेइंग रॉन्ग, आपका कम्युनिटी ग्रुप का नाम देखिए, प्रॉपर से बोलिए। आई एम ऑल्सो देयर इन द कम्युनिटी। अच्छे से मेरा मुंह देख लो, उसका डीपी में मेरा मुंह है, उधर पे आप क्या डाउट है वो लिख दो, मैं रिप्लाई करता हूँ। वेयर इज दैट संतोष? टुडे निफ्टी 15 मिनट्स चार्ट इवनिंग स्टार एट द क्रॉस स्टार, इट क्रॉस 9:15 9:15। नो सर, आप फ्यूचर में देख रहे हैं क्या? नो सर। मनीष, इफ यू हैव, आपको ऐड नहीं किया तो इधर आप कैसे आए जी? यू आर हियर बिकॉज यू आर इन द कम्युनिटी। निफ्टी स्पॉट प्लीज, निफ्टी स्पॉट ले लिया ना निफ्टी? हाँ, यस यस यस, वेरी गुड। निफ्टी स्पॉट में तो ये आए है, बट ये देखना आप, ये बहुत बढ़िया है। द ग्रीन कैंडल इज वेरी बिगर and we need a engulf of this, so it took lot of candles to engulf, तो ये तो बहुत बड़ा हो गया है, ये तो बहुत बड़ा हो गया है। ये ऐसे टाइम पर आप एक काम कर सकते हैं, सुनो इधर, most of the patterns are look like the same in the same times, that's why confusing. Prasad Reddy, no confusion here। अब उसको नाम है सर अप्रैल बैच, मार्च बैच करके। मनीष जी, see once this is done, इसके, see I will tell you, first of all, if the green candle is very big, if the green candle is very big, if you take a trade below this, your stop loss will be very big। आप इधर देखिए 610 से 680, तो 70 पॉइंट स्टॉप लॉस इज वेरी बैड, उतना नहीं लेना चाहिए। तभी क्या करना आप, यू नीड टू डू वन थिंग, इधर से इधर मार्क करो, इधर से इधर मार्क करो और 50% मार्क करो इसमें, तभी आपको ये रिट्रेसमेंट इधर पे आता है ना। यू कैन टेक योर शॉर्ट ट्रेड एनीवेयर अबव दिस टिल हियर, इधर तक आप कहा भी शॉर्ट ट्रेड ले लो, आपका स्टॉप लॉस इधर रखो। गॉट इट? अभी इधर पे आएगा ना 50% ऑफ दिस मूव, यू विल गेट अ मूव डाउन साइड। Bharti madam, you can choose. There are 3-4 admins. I am one of in that. If you have any queries, you can message me in that number. Okay. You cannot write in the community, but you can message us if you have any doubts, or you can call us. We are always open to help you. This is good finding. Who founded this? Sagar, I think. Bhaskar Reddy. Dr. Reddy's futures chart daily today. Dr. Reddy. Yes, good. Good, sir. Good. Mr. Reddy spotted Reddy Laboratories. Okay. Amolji, it is not the time to discuss that strategy. Okay. We are going step by step. This is the 5th session. This is my entry preparing, sir. This is for my entry preparing. Okay. You must take the entry only when it breaks the low of this candle. Okay. You must take the entry in the chart towards downside only when it breaks the low of this candle. Okay. So as of now, it is showing completely sideways. You can see here, it is showing completely sideways. It has one more chance to move from here to upside. So that's why I turn this into lower time frame. If you get any candle closed below this 1 or 2 days, 1 or 2 15 minutes candles, then you can go for short selling. So this every signal will not work. The reason is the location of the signal. Location of the signal. Move NG average also breaking chances. Venkat Srinivas, you trade in commodity. Are you trading in commodity? Somebody told some stock. Who is that? Hindalco. Please don't be get bored when I am showing other stocks. They are putting their effort to find out the stocks. Sir, it is not. Yogish, it is not. The reason is you need a green candle. Later you need a doji like this, and later we need a red candle, a big red candle which crosses below this and close. So if you want, I will show you a classical pattern. Can you see this? Can you see this? Stefan, I have a doubt in at the resistance evening star created. Can I take a short immediate or break next candle breaking? Yes, this is what I am explaining, Stefan. From 2-3 minutes, this is the closing, right? You need to take a short trade below the low of this. Okay. If this candle is very big, this candle is very big, you need to take a 50% positions here. You can add one more 50% positions at the half of this candle. Sagar, Can confirm the reason behind the trade which provided in the group. Yogesh, can you check the morning star in Asian Paint 15 minutes? Sir, today no strategy is working. Who asked that question? Sagar Jena. Today it is totally sideways market. No strategy is working. Okay, it is the advanced prediction we have given 2 calls. Yes, you can note this also. Yes, your entry should be below this. That is not happened. Who told this? Kapil Agnihotri. Kapil Agnihotri. Santosh Kumar. I already took that example and I explained you and where to take the entry tomorrow also told. I will provide you this recording. You can watch it. Bhaskar Reddy, HDFC 18th October weekly chart. HDFC Bank or what, sir? HDFC Bank weekly chart. 18th 21. Oh. See, something is going to happen here. You can see. Something is going to happen. Stepped out of the resistance and again immediately it is trying to step inside the resistance. No, it is not very bearish engulfing. Dark cloud cover. This is the pattern we were discussing right now. Where is that 18th October 2021? October, November. Yes. Yes, this is right. This is right. But this candle has not crossed the low of this. And there is no break of the low of this candle. Who told this? Bhaskar Reddy, sir. Arthamainda, Bhaskar Reddy garu. It should be a green candle and there is a doji candle and there should be a red candle. Either this red candle has to close below this or it should be at least till here. Then on the break of the low of this candle you will take the entry. इधर पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ है. Okay, this we call it as a flag. This is the flag. This is the entry of the flag. నేను వేరే చూస్తున్నానా 18th October, right? Oh, you told 21. Oh, sorry, 21 October, 18th October. This one. Yes. Right. Yes. This is what we have discussed, right? Bhaskar Reddy. Yes, sir, right. Indian Bank, 1 day. Indian Bank. Where is the signal, sir? Lenin, sir. It is in weekly. Yes. Good. You can take entry below this. You can take entry below this. Okay. Can we move ahead or इसमें रह गए 1 घंटे लग गए मेरा चाय ठंडा हो गए Okay, let us move forward. Everyone is okay. So आप एक काम करना है. So you those who are attending from session 1 to session 5, okay. आपके फोन लेके एक फीडबैक बनाना है, वीडियो फीडबैक. Whatever you feel, don't worry whether it is a positive feedback or negative feedback. We are taking feedback to improve ourselves. Okay, if you feel good, you can say whatever you are feeling good. If you are not feeling good, if we need to correct anything, you can say it. Okay, no problem. We accept that, and we are going to improve ourselves because we wanted to give you the service, right? So we don't know how you are feeling. Please, all of you, make a video feedback. आपका नाम बोलो and बाद में आपका सेशन 1 टू सेशन 5 कैसे चल रहा है, आपका कोच आपको कैसे सिखा रहा है, आर यू फीलिंग गुड, आर यू एबल टू ट्रेड, and please, if you are making profits, even that also mention. We are sending live trading calls, right? If you are making profits, you can also mention that if it is helping you. Is it okay? Can you do all that? If you give us the video feedback, we will give you one multi-bagger call as a reward for your effort. For your effort, we will give you multi-bagger call. Is it okay? Kavali. Venkat Sinvas, you can send it in WhatsApp. Santosh Kumar, I will give you one advice. If you are a beginner, please keep watching for some time so that your confidence will increase. As soon as if you finish the recordings, we will start the live sessions. In that, I will tell you how to trade that. Okay, don't jump. We have a lot of time. If you get a 1 week a good market, you will make all the money of the whole year. Don't worry. In last 3 months, we did not had a single stop loss, a single stop loss. Sujit Kumar Padi, thank you. Girish Jha. Okay, Debasis. I think you are from Orissa, Debasis. Indian Bank. Kya sir? This one you are talking about, Anil Ji. Indian Bank doji or small candle is not started high of the first candle. It is not compulsory that it has to start at the high of the first candle, Anil Ji. Okay. See, sometimes what happen, there will be adjustments. The first candle will be like this and it will form here, and second candle will form from here. So there is one more pattern. Okay, abundant baby and that one. For that you need, this should be opened above this, above all these two candles. That is different. Okay. So as of now, you can accept it. This will surely give you feedback. Thank you, Bijan sir. Bhaskar Reddy, the same thing you can give in the video feedback. Bhaskar Reddy sir, మీకేం అనిపిస్తుందో అదే చెప్పండి. In your own language, no problem. आपका own language में करो. कन्नड़ा, तमिल, तेलुगु, हिंदी, मलयालम, anything. Marathi. Deepak Kohri, yesterday I made a strangle in ICICI Pro Life. Today as usual booked 3K profits using Manish sir's derivative video. Thank you so much. Congratulations, Deepak ji. सिंपल देवाशीष जी, सिंपल. देखो, समझो ये फ्यूचर का चार्ट है, समझो ये फ्यूचर का चार्ट है, इसका लो कभी तोड़ता है ना, सो गेट रेडी पुट ऑप्शन का चार्ट at the money, always trade at the money for the naked trading. Naked trading मतलब taking single position, single side position. Okay, there are a lot of questions. Data is not covered. Jayesh, चल से. Sagar, you can use Odia. Sir, we are all Indians. We should be proud to use our local languages. Mother tongues are very important. Okay. We are divided by language, united by a country. Yes, Santosh, you are right. वो इवनिंग स्टार है. Okay, those who have asked a question, I am answering them. Always select the at the money price. So now you are expecting the breakdown of this and you need to take the short trade, right? समझो ये फ्यूचर है, इसका लो ब्रेक हो रहा है. whenever the low is breaking, take a put option, naked put option long. इसका मतलब put option को buy करना. So you keep your stop loss on basis of the futures. So whenever the futures crosses this level, you need to exit manually. Suppose if it hits the target, you need to exit the put option manually when it is hitting the target. Okay. Devendra Mansabha, Devendra ji, always better to watch future charts. Okay. Based on the spot only options we are going to trade. Analysis we are going to do in the chart by using equity, okay, or cash. We are going to trade the options based on the entry on the cash. 20 SMA, sir. Venkat Kumar, impact of do not exercise options for the intraday stock option trading. Amolji, don't worry all about that. Everything will settle within 1 week. Vivek, that will come in the options. विवेक जी, उसका टॉपिक अलग है, तभी आपको वो कवर करेंगे. भास्कर रेड्डी गारो, stick to any one thing. You can stick to futures or spot. Use any of one. Okay, you can trade according to that. It is not necessary to watch only futures or not necessary to watch only spot, but stick to that. So every time you are taking trade in options based on spot, you should be doing the same. Okay, if you are taking options based on futures, you should be doing the same always. Today you have given Bob was in intraday or delivery. It is intraday, Bijanji. It is intraday. See, whatever the calls we trade completely intraday. We never hold positional. Bhaskar Reddy sir, if you most of the future stocks we are going to watch in the future itself. Okay. When we are seeing future chart to take entry, which ATM option we should take? It should not be future ATM, sir. It should be a spot ATM. Spot. Giri Reddy, Sagar, that is a different topic, Sagar. Giri Reddy, already we have given a video on options, right? Okay, Debasis, you will get recording, no problem. So let us move to other topic. It is a brother patterns like it is a brother pattern. The difference of the previous patterns, previous three candlestick patterns and these patterns is simple. There should be a gap between these three candles. In buying, what we have done, it is a red candle and this is a doji or small body candle. This is the bigger candle, right? In this bullish abundant baby, this candle should come. This should come here. There should be a gap for the both. It is a gap down candle. It is a gap down candle. Next, it is a gap up candle. For bearish abundant baby, there should be like this, and there should be a gap in this candle to this, and next again it should be a gap down candle. So this gap makes the difference between that first three candlestick patterns and these three candlestick patterns. Why this is very important? Because this is stronger than that. Always gap ups and gap downs will work very stronger. Okay. Sagar, why are you in hurry? Sagar ji. Dinesh. Okay. Let us see in this. See this kind of pattern. Bullish abundant baby. Bullish abundant baby. And this is bearish abundant baby. There is a gap between this and this and this and this. So whenever this candle, especially these bullish and bearish abundant babies happen, that will be the new supports and resistances. So recently what we have discussed till now, whatever the candlestick patterns we have discussed, that should come at the supports and resistance, right? So that is a supportive signals to take the entry. Now bullish and bearish abundant babies, it can come anywhere. It is going to set the trend. It means it is going to create the support and resistance based on that three candlestick pattern. Are you able to understand what I'm saying? Supports and resistances are not needed for this pattern. It will create its own support and resistance in the future. If you can see here, it created a resistance, and from here price has rejected. You can see. Abundant babies were not getting here anywhere. The reason behind this is whenever the stock is very liquid, it is rare that we will get that pattern in the smaller time frame. So बड़े time frame में देखेंगे. We got one here. So whenever price approaches here in the future, remember this is going to be a strongest resistance. See this one. This one. There is an invisible red candle here. And this one. You can see how price has reacted here. See, one thing I will tell you, how many of you consider some of the words I say by experience? How many of you consider some of the words I say by experience? Only little people. Only some people. Then remember, whenever there is a support and resistance, don't expect the reversals. Don't expect the reversals. Expect the reactions. That is what we need as a trader. Got it? Did you understand what I said? In future, if all of you are doing well, I will teach you how to find out multi-bagger just by spending 5 minutes. In future, not in this session. I want to see the performance of the student side. Then only we get interest to teach. You might have seen these reactions, and some of the new traders will be thinking, अरे यार इतना छोटा सा मूवमेंट के लिए ये बता रहे हैं ना, इसको देखना है क्या, इतना सा छोटा सा मूवमेंट पे. But that is where I make more money. That is where I make more money. Any of you can able to understand what I am showing? मैं ढूंढ ढूंढ के आपको दिखा रहा हूं. Yes, Sagar, it will be very useful. I am showing it is not the support, Naveen. Whenever I have shown these abundant babies, you can see all the reactions worked. All the reactions worked. It is never failed. You are not noting that. You people are not noting that. It never failed. Samjo, only that reaction is enough to make a lot of money. Yes, Giri sir. This is not abundant, baby, but this is a three candle pattern. Yes, everything is included there. वो एक कैंडल पैटर्न में, ये abundant babies कैंडल पैटर्न में सारे कुछ है. There are lot of things that in that. Okay, there are lot of things. That's why it is working so perfect. Is it enough? What, Bharti madam? Really, Bharti madam, you are very brave, because there are a lot of women in our webinar. Every webinar you are attending without missing. That shows your interest to learn. It is 20 SMA. 20 SMA. Alok Industries. What happened in this? What, Naveen? Santosh. What pattern, Santosh? Today's session recording you will get. Venkataramanappa, yes, you will get. Venkataramanappa, sir, you are from Bengaluru. Nifty energy index is abundant, baby, today. Yes. Oh, देखेंगे. Nifty. Yes, G, this is not abundant baby. It is not abundant baby. See, ये gap down होना है इधर. It should be like this: a candle, or a candle. Look at this. This is empty space. Okay, sir. Okay. ಆಯ್ತು, ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Yes, that is not right. Okay. So how can we meet in Bangalore? Definitely I will come to your home for dinner someday. Mithilesh. Yes, Naveen. PSG, you can scan. Nothing wrong in that. Once you getting that stock, you have to watch from your eyes. Okay. So that should be verified from two ways. One is from scanning, one is from your eyes. Vastan sir, Vizag Vastan. Bejawada. Bejawada is one of my favorite place. Your fundas are getting clear now. Yes, good. No, sir. Venkatramanappa, only for 15 minutes. See, that is prepared, farmed only to get a quick profits. Trend completed. How do we know, sir? Either uptrend or downtrend. Giriredi. So we have another 30 minutes. We were just discussing. Now let us talk about multi-confirmation. Okay. Let us talk about multi-confirmations. I hope all the three candlestick patterns are clear. There is no doubt. I have taken a lot of time to explain that. Multi-confirmation. So what is multi-confirmation? Can somebody tell me what is multi-confirmation? Bolo. What is multi-confirmation? Confirmation from various patterns, checking other parameters too. Confirmation different time frames, trend line, moving average and pattern. Venkat Srinivas, good. Back support of the pattern. Confluence. Nitin, good. नितिन, आप इधर 8 बजे से कहाँ छुपे हो नितिन जी? 2 and above conditions to meet. Open interest with chart multi confirmation, 2 or 3 confirmations for a pattern. Yes, most of you are right. Tirumurugan ji, oh, now you are waking up. I can see only one message from you. I can remember everyone, sir. I'm a professor for 4 years. I was handling 200 students. Shashidhara, it is not 100% profit signal. So nothing is 100% in trading. Okay, multi confirmation is nothing but if you want to take a buy trade, if you wanted to go towards buy, if more than two supports are meeting together, more than two supports, we have studied different kind of supports like price horizontal support, horizontal support. Second one is a trend line support. Third one is a moving average support. And what else? Rudreshaya, sir, Rudreshaya, I think you are from Bengaluru. Oh, okay. Even if you are a beginner, keep interacting. Don't mind if you are wrong or right. All of we are here to learn. Okay. If you are wrong, I will correct you. If you without interacting, I cannot understand what is your knowledge, right? Rudreshaya, please keep interacting. Triangles, golden cross. Yes, like that. If more than two supports are meeting at the same place, then that is called a confluence. We call it as a confluence. Confluence meaning meeting of the all the supports. Okay. Overlapping zone. Yes, Ramana, good. तो उसको बोलेंगे हम कॉन्फ्लुएंस जोन. समझो इधर पे 100 रुपीस, इधर पे आपका सपोर्ट जोन है, that is horizontal price, horizontal support zone, and there is one more trend line goes by here. इसके साथ में आपको एक मूविंग एवरेज आएगा ऐसे. Now price is falling from here and it is touching at these locations. इसी लोकेशन पे आएगा. Now आपको ये तीन सपोर्ट से सपोर्ट मिल रहा है. So it is called confluence. So इधर आप बहुत अच्छे कॉन्फिडेंस से ट्रेड ले सकते हो. So if you are trading with a 10k, you can put 20k. So it is high confidence trade. It is high confidence trade. You can take trade here with the lowest low, which is the lowest low of these three. Put stop loss below that. Okay. Mithilesh, you will get it. Put the stop loss below the low of all these confluences. There is a horizontal, there is a moving average, there is a trend line. Whichever the lowest low, put stop loss there. Don't put only here. Okay. Or if you can take a trade based on candlestick pattern, that is well and good. You will get the derived stop loss itself based on the candlestick pattern. You can place after confirmation of the candlestick. Okay. What? Okay, no, what? This is the example of today's trade. Okay. This time I found abundant baby in the GHCL and I am sure to be right. Okay, Payas, we will see that. Here what has happened, this was a triangle. We call it as a down wedge. In this, you can see this was the resistance turned into support and this was the horizontal support. Okay. And this one is the trend line support. Now these locations will act as a strong support. So it can be a moving average, it can be trend line, it can be horizontal line. No problem. everything will work. It is like this. Two moving averages with horizontal support. Again, there is a horizontal support here. Let us see some more things. See, nowadays market movement is not at all good to show some good patterns. It is not forming proper patterns. What are the EMAs on your chart here? Sir, it is not EMA, it is SMA. 10, 20, 100. Okay. Can we use a Heikenshi candle with the moving average? Chandrakant. First message of Chandrakant Kondakala from Hyderabad. Sir, Heikenshi, don't worry about Heikenshi, sir. It is very confusing. It will be very confusing if you use, don't watch YouTube videos. Okay, don't watch YouTube videos based on Heikenshi. Okay, it will be very confusing. You can go and watch in the live. It will be very confusing. आप कैसे सिखाते हैं वो? After the closing only they will teach you Heikenshi. Okay. See, Heikenshi candle closing will be very crucial. तो वो कैसे दिखता है उसका closing ऐसे नहीं आता है. Who asked that question, sir? Can you able to understand? Yes, Giri Reddy, right. Price differs. So don't watch that. वो सभी उल्लू बनाने का strategies है. Okay. I am teaching you very simple, learn it. अभी देखो इधर पे there is a horizontal resistance going and this trend line resistance is coming. Now these are the two. These are two. If you get one more resistance here, it will be more stronger. So it is more than 2. What about Fibonacci? You can use it, sir. You can use it. See, to use Fibonacci, you need some extra knowledge, sir. So what people teaching, that is like introduction. So tools will not work on the introduction. आपको एक नया कार दे दिए, ये फर्स्ट गियर, सेकंड गियर, थर्ड गियर, फोर्थ गियर, सिर्फ बोल दिए. सो वो उसी से वर्क करेगा क्या? वो उसी के लिए आप ड्राइविंग करना सीखना है, कहाँ पे टर्न करना सीखना है, कहाँ पे क्या गियर डालना सीखना है. सो दैट्स हाउ Fibonacci will work. It is not so simple what you see. So its application will differ based on the different scenarios. Okay. Why I am saying to follow me is I will make things very simple. I don't want to make complications. How many of you watched yesterday's Fibonacci pattern? That worked very well. Flag pattern. You can see it exactly from here. It fell down and took support of 100 moving average and went to the cost and closed here. So with this, what is there? There is a horizontal support. With this, there is a horizontal support. और इसके साथ में क्या था देखेंगे. There was where is the CPR? Okay, somebody asked me to use how to use CPR. अभी शो करेंगे, मैं हमें दिखाता हूँ आपको। CPR, this is the central pivot levels, this is how you need to go to the indicators। इधर पे आप चूज करना है, ये इंडिकेटर आएगा ऐसे, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस इंडिकेटर। दिस इज फायर चार्ट, मैं फायर चार्ट में बोल रहा हूँ, इसको क्लिक करो ऐसे, वो आ जाएगा। यू विल गेट ऑल दिस लेवल्स। सो हमको क्या चाहिए, सिंपल मिडिल का तीन लेवल्स चाहिए और एक रेसिस्टेंस, एक सपोर्ट, इतना बस। नाउ डबल क्लिक ऑन एनी ऑफ दिस लाइन्स, इधर पे है ना, ये लाइन्स के ऊपर डबल क्लिक करो ऐसे, ये आ जाएगा। व्हाट यू नीड, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स इज this one, this is the central line, and this is the BC and TC, BC and TC, okay? Keep all these three lines, and remaining is one resistance and one support। so आपको क्या करेगा, ये तीन रख लो और एक सपोर्ट रख लो, एक रेजिस्टेंस रख लो, बाद सारे अनचेक कर दो। so you will get a simple CPR like this, okay? You will get a simple CPR like this। is it clear how to use CPR? It is a very simple CPR। the reason why I kept stop loss below 176 is, the reason is this: whenever we were taking a trade, it was here and there was immediate support of CPR, then there is an immediate support of this and this support। we got three supports right now, it is called confluence। Vivek Garg, in trading view also same, trading view also same। yes, Naveen Kumar, same। yes, Sati Pandu sir, yes। జీరో దాలో మీకు డైరెక్ట్ గా దొరుకుతుంది। yes, you don't need to do any settings। Vivek Garg, there are many CPRs, right? Go to pivot boss CPR, okay, and click it। बाद में उसके अंदर जाओ, सारे अनटिक कर दो, और डेली पाइवोट और BCTC लगाओ, ओके? ये तीन लाइन आ जाएगी, ओके? बाद में एक रेसिस्टेंस रखो, टिक करो, एक सपोर्ट टिक करो, बस। if you get lot of lines in the trading view CPR indicator, uncheck all the options, okay? उसका सेटिंग्स में जाके all the options अनचेक कर दो, ये तीन रख लो, डेली पाइवोट, TC, BC, एक रेसिस्टेंस, एक सपोर्ट, बस। above the CPR sir, pious above the CPR, see the range is very small, that's why it is not able to move easily upside, because there was an immediate resistance। it went, after taking our trade, it went up to 178.70 or 80 points up it went। later, because of this resistance, and Bank Nifty was dragging down, that's the reason it came down, okay? Anything else? Anything else? Yes, What is the pattern you can see in the Bank of Baroda? What pattern? How can we take trade on CPR? Are Anil ji. Anil ji, you will get bullet price action video. So किसी को अभी नहीं दिया है वो access. After finishing all these basic sessions, advanced technical analysis, everything, YS right, you are going to get the access of that. So पहले zoom, sir. If you zoom, you don't get anything. I say देखो. To know, understand very well, I have zoomed in. Yes, Dinesh ji. Yeah, if you use SMA, it will be very easy. Trend completed once. Tell me, sir. Bug pull. See, take this and draw the resistance and supports. Wait for the breakout. Simple. Then you will get trade and look at the size of the pole. At least 170 to 178, 8 rupees. And from 176 is the low. Add 8 rupees to this. It will become 184. Then this will be the your target. एक बार आपका पैटर्न ब्रेकआउट और ब्रेकडाउन हो जाएंगे ना, सो उसी स्टॉक के आप इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग पे ले लेना है और उसी स्टॉक को इन द फेवर ऑफ ट्रेंड पे ट्रेड करते रहो. सो हाउ टू ट्रेड इन द फेवर ऑफ ट्रेंड? टेक एनी रीजन टू टेक एंट्री टुवर्ड्स द ट्रेंड. गॉट इट? ट्रेडिंग इज वेरी इजी सर, इट इज नॉट सो टफ. Think simple. Think simple. Anything else? Please make that video feedback. Okay, whatever you feel, please make a video and send it. If you are not able to send it in the WhatsApp, you can keep it in the Google Drive and send the link, or you can send us in Telegram. There are many ways. I am not getting the CPR setup in Dhan. Lenin, I don't know, but you will get it. Dhan pe hai wo. Dhan pe hai. Oh, indicator, because now CPR become very famous. Devrai, use CPR and SMA. Yes. See, most important moving averages are 10, 20, 200. To win the race, we only confuse ourselves. Mindset is important to know the, but still can't control while trading. Debasis, that is the reason. Take only 3 trades. Next सेशन पे मैं आपको कैसे कंट्रोल करना ओवर ट्रेडिंग मैं वो बोलूंगा आपको इन द इजीएस्ट वे. कंट्रोल करो ऐसे बोलना नहीं है. बोलने से कुछ नहीं होता है. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ साइकोलॉजी गुरुस, दे विल बी टीचिंग यू नीड टू टेक ट्रेड्स लेस, यू शुड नॉट टेक ओवर ट्रेडिंग, वो सभी बोलते हैं. तो हाउ टू मिनिमाइज दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो मैं भी ऐसे ओवर ट्रेड करता था इन द स्टार्टिंग डेज. In 2008 and 2009, I was over trading, like I was losing lakhs of rupees per day. A single trade पे 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 10, 20, 200. Yes. In such service, where can even trade? So will you please excuse me? I will meet you personally when we'll come to there. Doing great job, which I did not find online. Payas, it is okay. We will help you if you are not able to trade while working hours. Okay. I will give you many things that you can that will be helpful for you to take trades. Evening, those who are working in the daytime, they can make some time in the evening after 6 o'clock, there is a MCX market. It will be there till 11:30. You can take trades in crude oil, silver. Very simple, and it will be very easy. It will be video feedback. You can do it in the night. You can do it in the night. Crude oil. Wow, wow. See, fall is good. Fall is good. From here, it is not tradable. Fall is good. Sometimes fall will happen. Okay. What happened here? Can you anybody see this? This is a 15 minutes chart. We got entry here in the bullet price action 2. Okay. We got a small trade here. That is okay. And later we got a trade here. We got 3 entries here. 3 entries here. Can you see this? Bangaru Lenin. There is no separate setup. You can use the same. MCX is very easy to trade because it is very liquid. Cap IS. Your question is not clear, Payas. Venkat Srinivas, use any one CPR. Use any one CPR. In that, keep only that 3 lines and one support and resistance. First, when you add a CPR indicator in the trading view, uncheck all the options. Okay, then check only these 3. Natural gas is also good. The lot size is more. What is the difference between 1.1 and 2? In 2, you will get more entries. Entries are restricted for 3. In the 1.0, 2.0, you will get more entries. And refined something there. Venkat sir, just to open account in a 5 years, 5 years, it will take hardly 1 hour. Okay, and use this CPR. Simple. 6340. Why to enter now, sir? The entry is here. Entry is here. Now crude oil turned very bearish. How to take entry in this chart? CPR as you told in entry. Sir, according to 1.2, sir. Bullet price action 1.2. 1.2, I make profits. Devroy. How much, sir? If you tell me you made profits, you have to give me 50%. First support broken in the CPR, first entry and second. Bias, it is not like that, bias. Whenever it approaches 10 or 20 moving averages and create a green candle, mark that green candle and sell below the low of this green candle. Okay. Or you can take inverted hammer entry. After finishing all these sessions, you will get that profit of 800 plus. Good. Bullet price action. एक काम करेंगे. Okay. If you have so much doubts on in trading view, I will create a small video on that. Okay, then I will send you the link. वो watch कर लेना. Lenin, one more session is there. Okay. So any doubts till now? Any doubts? Sir Murugan sir, where are you? Ranganathan. Okay, Venkat sir. Ranganathan, Murugan sir. Ajata Shatru, you slept today. Anil Agarwal, Ashok Nayak, Avinash, what happened, sir? Bharati Mondal Das, Vijan Das, Chandrakant, Dayanidhi, Enna sir, Ennache, Jairam, Jayesh Joshi, Sagar, that is for video feedback. It is a multi-bagger. I will give you multi-bagger. Venkat sir, it is not like that. You need to, it is not compulsory to use in 15 minutes. If you know any strategy, you can use in any time frame. Naveen, what will happen? No, you can use 30 minutes, 1 hour also, but sometimes what will happen? The CPR and the support and resistance ranges will be very compressed. Like today, you can see in the Bank of Baroda. In such situations, if you take a higher time frame, the targets will not hit. Nitin ji, प्लीज कनेक्ट टू कस्टमर केयर, उसको कॉल करो, बोलो आपको वो लिंक मिल जाएगा. डिसोजा इज नॉट स्पीकिंग. माधव महेंद्र मिथिलेश इज स्पीकिंग. 2 Naveen Kumars are there. Pavan Kumar, Prasad Reddy, Prem Anand, what happened? All these people. Manish, please connect to customer service number, उसको मैसेज करो. Manish Singh, connect to that numbers, you will get the links. Okay, because that is not my work. उसका मेरा access नहीं है. Yes Devendra, futures has expiry, all the commodities equities has expiry. Yogish K, Tirumurugan, Suresh Boga, why silent? Silent matlab you understood everything, or if you are not understanding anything. If the CPR is within the range, it's sideways. Enna Anna, Murugan Anna, why silent Anna? Roshan, my shift is till 10:30 PM. That's why I am just listening to you and making notes. Good. Good, Roshan. Okay, Rohtash Kumar, you will get recording. ओ सारे वॉच करना, एक या 2 बार वॉच करना. कुछ आपको डाउट्स है तो नेक्स्ट सेशन में पूछना. तो ऐसे रखना मत. Okay, Jayesh. Okay, Suresh ji. Ramana ji, yes, you can use open interest. See, when I'm using completely technical analysis, I am using only technical analysis. I am not combining open interest. Okay, that is the misinterpretation. What will happen? Sometimes open interest will show you something else, and technical analysis will show you something else opposite. Then what you will do? So confusion हो जाएगा. When mix will happen, ये अप ट्रेंड बताएगा, ये डाउन ट्रेंड बताएगा. आप कौन सी ट्रेड लेते हो? If you are confused and not taking that trade, that movement will be very big, and if you miss that movement, so you will be definitely crying. Ramana sir, Avinash, you are still till 10 p.m. you will be in the shop. Okay, good. Okay, sir. Yes, most often that's the reason. Don't combine that open interest and options data with this. Okay. The worst case, what will happen if you watch only technical analysis? Your stop loss will hit. Yes. Later, you will get another signal. Okay. What happens if you combine open interest with the technical analysis? You will get confused. You neither can take a upside trade or downside trade. Okay. You will lose that. Yes, Naveen Kumar. You should never ever combine that with this. That is a different, totally different trading. This is totally different trading. Later I will teach you in next video or maybe upcoming sessions. Naveen. Abhishek Gupta, that is what I am telling you. वो आप यूज किए तो इंडिविजुअली यूज करो, टेक्निकल एनालिसिस के जोड़ में सॉरी साथ में उसको यूज नहीं करना. You will lose the best trades. Maybe sometimes you will get the support, same thing, but you will lose the best trades. The most of the things, whenever option is showing buy, that is where trap will happen. Sell पे आ जाएगा market. Okay. There is no best one, Ashok Naik. Both are the tools. The best one is how to use that tool. Okay. So it's already 10. Can we wind up the session? So good night to everyone. Have a profitable day tomorrow. So tomorrow will also be a sideways day. Please be aware tomorrow. Don't take a sudden trades until giving breakout upside or downside. Please wait. Please wait. No opportunity, no trades. Nitin, you will get a link of live trading calls, Telegram link. Okay. Contact to customer care number. Thank you, madam. Thank you so much. You are always welcome. Next time, be prepared with your faces. All of we show our faces to each other. Okay. Most of the people are asking to show the faces. Customer care number. Okay, I will give you. सर हु इज दैट? नितिन जी, नितिन जी, wherever you are in that community, उस कम्युनिटी पे आपको एडमिन का नंबर ढूंढ लो, ओके, उससे बात करो। नितिन जी, प्रधान, गुड नाइट।